Hello, I am Dr. Moushumi Pal, faculty member of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, Shonarpur, Karbala. Today I am going to talk about functions of government agencies, special reference to Central Pollution Control Board and State Pollution Control Board. The task of overseeing the well-being of the environment in India has been entrusted to Ministry of Environment and Forest, MOEF. MOEF is the nodal agency headed by a minister of cabinet rank. The ministry has several organs in its setup, the major unit being the Central Pollution Control Board CPCB and the State Pollution Control Board SPCB. Though CPCB is vested with the responsibility of overall coordination of environmental protection, SPCB constituted in the states of the Republic are the implementing authorities of the acts and rules concerning the protection of environment. Functions of Central Pollution Control Board. As per the provisions of the Environment Protection Act 1986, the CPCB is vested with the following powers and responsibilities: coordination of actions by the state governments, officers and other authorities, planning and execution of a nationwide program for the prevention, control and abatement of environment pollution, laying down the standards for the quality of environment in its various aspects, laying down standards for emission or discharge of environment pollutants from various sources, restriction of areas in which any industries, operations or processes or class of industries shall not be carried out or shall be carried out subject to certain safeguards, laying down procedures and safeguards for the handling of hazardous substances, inspection of any premises, plant, equipment, machinery, manufacturing and other processes, materials, establishment of recognition of environmental laboratories and institutes to carry out the functions entrusted to such environmental laboratories and institutes under this act, collection and dissemination of information in respect of matters relating to environmental pollution. Functions of State Pollution Control Board. The State Pollution Control Board have certain mandatory functions enabling the control of water and air pollution. The important functions of these boards under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 and Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 and other acts are listed below. To plan a comprehensive program for the prevention, control or abatement of pollution of streams and wells in the state and to secure the execution thereof. To advise the state government on any matter concerning the prevention, control or abatement of water pollution and air pollution. To collect and disseminate information relating to water pollution and air pollution and the prevention, control or abatement thereof. To encourage, conduct and participate in investigations and research relating to problem of water pollution and prevention, control or abatement of water pollution. To lay down, modify or annual effluent standards for sewage and trade effluents and for the quality of receiving waters resulting from the discharge of effluents and to classify waters to the state. To lay down discharge standards of sewage and trade effluents to be discharged into any particular stream and the tolerance limit of pollution permissible in the water of the stream after the discharge of such effluents. To advise the state government with respect to the location of any industry, the carrying on of which is likely to pollute a stream or well, to inspect air pollution control areas at such intervals as it may think necessary, assess the quality of air therein, and take steps for the prevention, control, or abatement of air pollution in such areas, to advise the state government with respect the suitability of any premises or location for carrying on any industry that is likely to cause air pollution, to perform such other functions as may be prescribed or may from time to time be entrusted to it by the CPCB or the state government. Thank you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.